everyone. Today we are going to learn how to reset the automatic function in the windows of a Nissan Rogue. This is a 2018 model. This should work in every Nissan or Infiniti vehicle. So it happens that the function works when you're rolling down the windows, but once you want to roll them up automatically, it will just stop. So what we are going to do is that we are going to roll down the window completely, and we are going to hold the button. Once it is completely open, we're going to hold the button for 5 seconds. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we are going to roll the window up, all the way up, and hold it for 5 seconds again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to turn the switch off. Now we are going to turn it back on, and it should work properly. Let's see. It goes all the way down, and now it goes all the way up. And that's it. Hope it works in your car. See you in another video.